Today we're going to talk about HDR, what it means and how you can assemble one in Lightroom or Photoshop. HDR or high dynamic range is a technique used to capture a scene with a high dynamic range. The dynamic range is the ratio between the darkest and brightest point of the picture. Most modern cameras have a bracketing mode which is going to make 3 shots. One is going to be overexposed by the value you have set. One is going to be underexposed and one properly exposed. The camera needs to be placed on a tripod. Here's how to do it on a Canon DSLR. Turn on the continuous shooting mode. Press the menu button, go to the second camera symbol, choose Exposure Compensation AEB. With the scroll wheel, select your settings. Press the Set button. Now hold the shutter button pressed until the 3 pictures are shot. Once you made your pictures, let's go over to Lightroom. This can also be done in Photoshop, I'll show you later how. Import the pictures into Lightroom. On the first shot, you can see that the picture is underexposed, so you can get the information in the highlights in the picture. The second one is properly exposed to get the information in the mid-tones, as you can see on the histogram. The third one is overexposed to get the information in the dark areas of the picture. To assemble the pictures, press and hold the Control key, then select every picture. Then right-click and pick Photo Merge, then HDR, which are created when you're assembling pictures with a bit of movement, like here the grass. Choose the strength of the deghosting, then click Merge. Now wait until the HDR is made. Now I will show you how to do it in Photoshop. Then create a new document, the size doesn't matter. Go to Files, Automate, then Merge to HDR Pro. Now click on Browse, then select your files and click OK. In Photoshop, the deghosting option is next to the top right-hand corner of the picture. I prefer editing my pictures in Lightroom, but you can do it in Camera Raw if you want, it offers the same options. To open Camera Raw, go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter.